What's going on now, YouTube? This is your boy DTJ La Familia coming back to you with another video. Now, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, this video is going to be a banger. Now, as you guys seen by the thumbnail or by the title of this video already, I am going to be pranking my grandma with the fart spray. So I'm going to be doing the fart spray prank. Now, my grandmother, she's a Christian, but when she get vow, she curse. Right? So that's what we're trying to achieve today. We're trying to let in this car get stink as hell, where she can't handle it no more till she just start losing it. All right, so what I had to do also, now I've been working weeks on this prank. My grandmother, she doesn't like to drive in the front of the car. So what I have to do, I had this fart spray for like a week or 2 weeks now, trying my best to get her to come into the front so I could do this prank on her, but she refused. Guys, I said she refused to sit in the front. So today, you know, I wake up and God has given me a good opportunity to prank her today with the fart spray prank, because yeah, we'll come on the front, mama, because I was something on the back. No, man, you're good, man. Alright, that's how we live, you know. Now I'm come to the front, you know. Mama, you're not going far, mama. Alright, that's where you go.
Hey. Yeah, Presley.
Alright, yeah. Come to know what to see. Take your time and put on your seatbelt, man. Just give me, hold up by the top. You're good, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright. Yeah, you're good now. Tell us, mama. Tell us, mama, I don't know what I'm saying, but my belly is blow.
I'm not gas, so.
Gas? Boy, I don't know if I gas or what, but I sure know so now when I eat those, because I dip on the road, I do some little thing. I may tap and buy some McDonald's. I tell her, Bridget, say, God no, man.
Maybe I guess, man.
Say, wicked, man. See, I be a fart, me a fart, you know? Right, sit me a tell you, man.
Then it is, I guess.
Tell her star.
Yes, man.
I tell a man, say man can't do anything, man. Man can't do anything, man.
The hair look good.
How I go up at
I
it?
think
Well, man, shoot.
that's a hair I think bad. It's very...
No, sir.
I don't know.
Yeah, I wonder to myself, say, what could I go on, man?
I don't mean that shit. Come straight down, that's right. Man, I put me that's good, that's right. Yeah, we gotta get no man detail.
No, sir.
Shit, that shit, man.
Come like a shit, me shit up, yes, my granny.
Right, God.
Them say, I don't know how many I'm missing, mama, man, but I tell you, my belly, man.
Ah, Jesus. Oh, man.
No, sir.
It's what came to Say nobody else in here. No belly, man, and take wash out.
You say, I guess no belly, I'm not get wash out.
What do you mean? You happen to be enough time, she did kitty. Oh, God.
A long time, I don't take no wash out still, no? And good while, I don't take no wash out, my granny. So how long are you turn up for us?
Come back, but after 2. Yes, you come and go.
Kevin, tell us so. So me come and go.
You come and drink water and go.
Included for 2 to the first 100 listeners to text Lucky to 313131. It is only for the next 100 listeners to text the keyword Lucky to 313131.
No man, come here, this is Cynthia, I get think, man.
So I should just it happened to me already, me say.
What you do, poop and shit?
Yeah.
Where's you do poop and shit up?
Yeah, church, you know. Now when me the walk, the come smell is stinking sickness.
I lie and tell mama, no matter with that, mama.
I'm gonna car to drive. And when me reach, I could say car door me and then everybody does it. And when me come out and turn on in a brown plane, I feel like sitting like you touch my foot. And me do so, pure shit.
Jesus, please.
And I'm done the same way somebody shit but they don't saw me. You're right, teeth. I say smelly shit if it's a one man my house in there. Prostate what they call it. Kind of shit back on him.
One man at church have shit back on him.
Kind of prostate.
Oh.
Same thing I miss a man there. You want it while my Trisha in there.
Anyway, what are that then? What are that again?
And the boy canal guard the man.
Oh!
Why boy in here man?
Man, belly hot, my man.
Shit up, because you're going to shit up, listen.
Where's that shit? Me shit up. I do you.
Can we say it happened to me, man? I mean, I realize. Can we put my head up, we say. Well, sitting.
But you see me like a shit, me shit up with you still, you know?
Me, they tell you. Maria, my yelling that. Lord God, I'm ready to laugh yet. Let me come out. Woo! What the hell of a passenger in the car? Nobody can go nowhere. He said, me come out of the car, man. Me rotted. You have to walk fast past of your body and go in a bathroom. Me rotted.
How long did that go?
About last year, man. I couldn't believe. Me to you. And then I say, so me to Daniel. Okay, man, shit up. And I shit up.
Tell him man, the belly hot.
Yeah, the man, your husband.
Nah, man, I tell him man, the belly hot, my brethren.